The first kitchen must-have from Amazon is this glass kettle by the brand Milton. It retails for about 385 rupees currently. So unlike plastic or ordinary glass, it will not leach chemicals into your drink. Neither will turn milky or cloudy even after repeated usage. It is made up of the borosilicate glass which allows the kettle to withstand high temperatures. So as you can see, it can be directly used on the flame and in the microwave as well. It is optimal for storing hot or cold liquid for longer periods too. As you can see, I have made this tea in this kettle and it is perfectly okay. The next on my list is this nuts slicer or cutter, which retails for about 289 rupees currently. As you can see, it comes with a safety holder and also contains manual stainless steel blade cutter inside. It is made up of a premium quality crafty slices which is strong enough to easily slice the dry fruits in no time. It comes very handy when you are making milkshakes or cakes or any types of sweets that contains these nuts. Next item is this soap dispenser for dishwasher liquid. It retails for only 149 rupees, which is like very cheap. It is a very compact and a very small design kind of which can save a lot of your kitchen space. It's also made of food grade transparent plastic which makes it corrosion resistant and durable. Fill in with your dishwasher liquid and add water to it like you usually do. You can press it lightly with one hand and it automatically discharges liquid, saving lots of time and effort. The next item in my list today is the stainless steel 360-degree rotation bubbler saving water faucet, and it retails for about 399 rupees currently. Here I am showing a demo of how to fix it to your current faucet. It is very flexible and it can be rotated in any direction you need. It has two modes. One is this foam mode which is used to fill jars, pots or pans. And when you press the button, it will change to another mode, that is the shower mode, which makes it easier to wash the utensils and stuffs. The last and the final must-have item from Amazon is this drain cleaner, which effectively cleans blockage in the pipes of wash basins and sinks. So just empty the whole packet into the drain and add some water and just leave it overnight, and you will see the magic happening the next morning.